Shots fired. Shots fired.
Yep.
With her. We can hear him screaming. We heard one shot. I haven't seen him. We can hear him. He's talking to her, saying they're going to kill me. Or, you know, don't let them kill you.
But he shot once.
And he shot once, and a little kicked him out.
All right. Oh, it's as far as I'm concerned, it's an active hostage.
Yep.
It's an active hostage for sure.
All right. Then we're gonna breach the front door.
Yes.
Officers heard the female inside screaming for help, prompting the officers to converge on the house.
Front door! Front door!
No, front door!
Officers were able to get the female out to safety.
Come to the front door!
Come to the front door now!
Front door!
Now! Now!
Relax.
Come on!
Come to the front door! Come to the front door!
During the rescue, the suspect attempted to flee from the side door, coming into contact with officers. The suspect pointed his firearm at the officers, causing the officers to discharge their firearms toward the suspect.
You hit, boss? I'm good. I don't even know if he shot because he's pointing right at me.
The suspect retreated back inside, only to reemerge at the front door and quickly approached another officer with a gun and some type of shield in his hand, which drew gunfire from the officer.
I can't see with the.
Yeah, it's coming.
I can't see his hands.
I can't see his hands either. Hands! Show me your hands! He had it in his hand. He had it in his hand.
Drop it!
He then went back inside for a short time before exiting from the back of the house. When confronted by officers at the back of the house, the suspect fired his gun. 2 officers returned fire at the suspect.
South side of the house. He has the gun in his hand halfway out. Yeah.
Raise your hands!